You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the white, so I two-toned them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all how I install my U-part wig. So this hair is Bobbi Boss in the style Yasmin, and basically it's just a clip-in U-part wig that I picked up from my local beauty supply. This hair was $40, but I do see it online at some retailers for only like $20 or on sale. So I'll try to link those below as well for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I install, get my hair to blend, and use this U-part wig as a protective style, keep on watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so first I am starting off on flat iron hair, and I'm just doing a middle part, and then what I'm going to do is part my hair around that middle part into a U shape. So as you guys can see, I'm just creating a U-part shape on my head, and this is basically going to be my leave out for this hairstyle. And I'm doing a U-part because this is a U-part wig. So I'm taking that little section of hair, and you don't need a lot of hair at all. So you want to make sure you're just doing a little bit like I just did. And then I'm just taking both sides of my hair, and I'm going to do a French braid on each side. Now, if you want to turn this into like a real good protective style, I would say previously to this to just blow dry your hair and put it in small French braids all over, because that's what I just did after this hairstyle. Like when it got old, I actually washed my hair and blow dried it and put it in braids all over and then did my U-part. But when your hair is pressed like this and you don't want to put heat on it every single day, this works amazing. So I just French braided both sides of my head, and yeah, and I put out that little bit of leave out. And then I'm going to just take two bobby pins because I need to lay it flat to my head. So I am going to take two bobby pins, put it on the ends of the hair, and then pin it on the back parts of my hair, basically crisscross like you guys can see here. And that's what's going to help it lay flat so it doesn't look all bumpy underneath the wig. So the wig I'm wearing is going to be the Bobbi Boss in the style Yasmin, and it is in the color number 4. It has 3 clips. And you just clip them right onto your head. Like, it's really easy to install this. Just clip, clip, clip. And then you're going to take the back and pull it under, you know, just put the wig on. It's really, really simple to install. Like, once I found out about U-part wigs, I was like, okay, this is about to be my new go-to, especially when I don't want to put heat on my hair every single day. So I'm just like detangling out the ends with my fingers a bit. And then I might move the clips closer. You know, you can play around with it just to get it the way you need it to look. So next I am going to be going in and styling my leave out so that it can blend. So I'm taking my Fantasia heat protectant spray, spraying that, and then I'm taking some argan oil and I'm applying that as well to make it blend a bit easier. And now I'm just going to take a back section and flat iron it out with my flat iron, and then I'm just going to do that on either side as well. And I kind of comb it through so that it starts to blend. And my hair is a little bit darker than the U-part wig. So the second time I purchase this wig, I do plan on getting like a little darker color just so it can blend a bit better. But yeah, I just flat iron it into the hair, and then I comb it through so that it can start to blend more. So it almost gives the appearance like it's like highlights in my hair. So I comb it through, and then I'm going to apply some more oil, and then I'm going to flat iron my hair into the wig so that it blends even more. So you're going to see me do that in a minute. I'm just situating it. So I'm taking my argan oil, applying it all over. This helps to blend it more as well, you know, like the two textures. And then I'm taking the flat iron and pressing my hair into the wig hair. So it's really, really simple, and I really feel like this makes a good protective style. Now, to hold it in place all day, I like to take my Aussie Moist, and I like to just spray it all over and freeze the hairstyle. And then I just like to lay my baby hairs. Y'all know I love to lay my baby hairs, and I'm just using my Instant Control, swooping the baby hairs, and that's pretty much it. Like, this makes such a good protective style. I absolutely love it. It's really easy. Like, the install time takes no time at all. Like, it's so quick, so easy. And yeah, these are my final results. I hope you guys all enjoyed this, found it interesting, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye guys.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go.